Hello, hello, Hollyvilly villagers. You know what time it is. It's time for another unwrapping. I wonder if this could be a clue. We've obviously got Mickey and Minnie. I wonder what could be inside. Let's take a look. Here we go. It is Mickey and Minnie. This is our first Mickey and Minnie piece ever. Our first ever Disney piece. And take a look. This is from St. Nicholas Square. Those are our friends over at Kohl's. Once again, if Santa didn't bring this to you, you can pick this up at Kohl's. This is Mickey and Minnie's Gate Village accessory. Oh, look at that. This one's hand painted. How nice is that? This is new for 23. And over here on the box, let's take a look around. All right, what does that say there? Complement the St. Nicholas Square Village collection with one of many artful crafted accessories, hand painted with the same attention to detail given to the creation of this collection. These pieces help capture the sights and sounds of the season. Each edition is a perfect way to bring your own personal village to life. Once again, it says it's Mickey and Minnie's Village accessory. Let's have a look inside. And there's just two small pieces of styrofoam, like there is in some of these collectible pieces, holding together our little Mickey and Minnie. Got a little piece of tape here to get out of the way. And our friend the plastic bag, which by now we all know what to do with. We give that to Mommy and Daddy to make sure they're safe. Take a look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, if you're a big Disney fan, you'll see something right here in the middle. You can ask our friends over at Best Life and Beyond. Check out their channel, Hidden Mickey. That's what we call it when we see the circle and ears of Mickey hidden somewhere in a village. I wonder if that's the only one. We'll take a real close look around. No, I'm not seeing any. This is really cute. I like the sparkling snow glitter. Be sure to check out our friends over at Best Life and Beyond. They have a channel dedicated to Disneyland and all sorts of other fun parks and vacation destinations. While this was one of our shorter unwrappings, that doesn't mean we're not going to love and cherish this piece just as much as everything else in our collection. Be sure to like, add, and subscribe so that you get all of our latest content. Happy villaging, villagers!